Definition of natural logarithm. The natural logarithm of a number is the logarithm with the base, e, of that number. We write ln instead of log to express the natural logarithm. The symbol ln is an acronym for natural logarithm in Latin. When doing this, we do not write the base e, similar to the base 10 logarithms. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. The importance of the natural logarithm is evident in the fact that all calculators contain the ln option. We can use the natural logarithm instead of the base 10 logarithms for everything we did in the previous tutorial, including curves modeling. That is all for lesson 13.4.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 13.4.4, Natural Logarithm Rules. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.